So here I am this afternoon on this beautiful day, standing on some pickleball courts, which I wish I can play. But I know it is very popular and people get a great workout in. And after you're done, your feet are probably sore. I want to share with you today about the Kane Revive Recovery Shoe. I've been wearing this shoe now for over a year and it is a great shoe to slip on after a good workout and your feet are all sweaty and want something comfortable. Now, what makes this shoe unique is that it's made from sugarcane from Brazil. That's right, how interesting is that? It also has those massage nodes on the bottom of the footbed, so your feet really feel so great, and that is awesome. You've got a nice wide toe box, you've got the holes on the top so that your feet breathe, and it's just a win-win. These are waterproof, and they hold up well. They're firm, but also comfortable and will give you good support. And also you've got that little hook there on the back that you can hang them from your bag, from like a carabiner hook. So do check them out. They come in a number of different great colors. They are available for men, women, and kids, and always coming out with new color designs. So check it out today, the Kane Revive Recovery Shoe. I'll put my referral link in the description as well as in the comment section. And if you have any questions, let me know. You'll be glad you did when you put them on your feet. Have a great day.